Hey everyone, Tyler Gray with Tyler Gray Models here. We came out from Oregon. We're here at Dayton, Ohio at the first ever HeliStorm. I'd like to talk about what we have here. We are a Vario dealer, Unilite dealer, Permagrit dealer, Yakudovsky turbines, and a bunch of other products that are great for the scale industry and hobby. We carry the full line of Permagrit tools. They're tungsten carbide. If you're doing anything with composites, wood, they are the tools to have. Tyler Gray Models also manufactures in-house. We have laser cutting capabilities, CNC capabilities, 3D printing, resin and FDM. We also have design and CAD work abilities as well. We are also a custom builder and can build your dream helicopter however you see fit. Expanding our lineup here, we are also a Goose Sky dealer. We are a Flywing helicopter dealer, FR Sky dealer, and we are the exclusive importer of the Romano design 1.6 Blackhawk. Thank you for hanging out with us. Check us out at tylergraymodels.com. You can call us at 541-521-9564. Can't thank Bert enough for the interview and hanging out with us today. Check out his content on YouTube. Great content on the RC, and thanks for hanging out with us today, and enjoy the show.